So here am I again with another smartphone from Realme. Yes, Realme is on a spree to launch smartphones. Another one, that's the new one from Realme, is the Realme 14X that you can see here right in front of you. Well, I'm going to be unboxing this, and what's the USP? Well, it has lots of USP. The one which is the USP, that's that it's IP69 rated. Yes, IP69. We're going to put this phone in a pack of water also and see if it works fine after that or not. We'll test that later, but let me just unbox this and tell you how the phone looks like and tell you all about it. Let's get started. This is Realme 14X for you. Okay, so the Realme 14X is here and we're going to be unboxing it like we told you, and let me tell you that Realme 14X is a 5G smartphone that you can see. It's an amalgamation of durability and seamless performance. Let's just quickly unbox this and tell you what's inside the box, and then we'll come to the smartphone. Well, this is the smartphone that we're going to be talking about in a bit. And then before that, let's just see what's there in the box. You have an adapter, a charging adapter that you see here. This is the one. And this is 45 watts of super walk charging, okay? And we have a charging cable here. We'll keep the box aside. What all do we have here in this one? Well, we have a lot of things here as well. Okay, there's a quick guide. There's a back cover of the phone. And of course, there's a SIM ejector that you get. So, we'll get away with all this quickly. We showed you everything. Now let's come to the phone. Yes, that's the beauty here. You could see. Look at the color. My God, such a beautiful phone. Very, very impressive at the first go. You could see how the phone is. Design-wise, well, the first look, full marks to the design. The color, of course, is very beautiful. Very, very nice color, very impressive. And you see the design, that's the diamond cut design that you get at the back, which is very, very good. Well, talking about the design itself, looks very, very chic and very impressive. All full marks, like I told you, for the design of the phone. That's the USP also of this phone, because this is a diamond design that you see. The curve of the back panel of the phone is inspired by oval cut diamonds, and it's a geometric form that you see. This is a geometric that you see. See, I'm just moving the phone. You'll have a better feel of it when you see this. So, color of the back panel of Realme 14X 5G is inspired by crystals and gems in nature. Yes, luster of the different angles under the sun will make it even better. ये देखिए, light जो आ रही है यही खूबसूरती दे रही है पूरे phone को. This is a camera module. You can see there are cameras here, the Realme branding, and of course you see you have the Type-C charging port here and a speaker as well. Well, let's just switch on the phone, and with the switching of the phone, I'll also tell you the rest of the features that the phone has. Okay, so while the phone switches on, let me also tell you about the display here. You could see the screen size here. It's pretty big and pretty interesting screen size. And if you talk about the size of the screen, well, this is of course bigger sky, you know, the usual ones that you're getting in the market. These are 6.67 inches with 120 hertz of refresh rate that it has. The screen color 16.7 million and the brightness is about 500 nits, which is a typical value, but the peak brightness goes to 625 of nits. While it's switching on, you can have a closer look at the phone, and we'll tell you more about it. The phone is quite compact in the hand, and if we talk about the weight, it's about 197 grams here. Yes, 197 grams of the weight here. So it's pretty lightweight, very compact design, very impressive design for that matter. Moving on, we'll just switch on the phone and tell you more about the specification. So this is how the UI of the smartphone looks like. You could see a lot of apps here. So a lot of bloatware as I can see, but I'm sure you can get away with the bloatware. That shouldn't be a problem in the Realme phones any which ways. But yes, there are pre-installed apps that are being given. It has a gesture control that of course is a good thing that everyone uses, the air gesture that the Realme has right now. In fact, processor is Dimensity 6300 5G chipset, and this is with the process technology of 6mm. And if you talk about the camera here, you could see there are cameras given. So this is 50 megapixel AI camera with a focal length of 27mm and aperture is f1.8 with FOV of 75.5 of it. Front camera you could see is 8 megapixel for the selfie camera with the lens of 4p. So this is about the camera. You could see that there are camera lenses at the back that are given. and you could see 50 megapixel AI camera that's given in this, which itself means that the camera capabilities come with the AI capability. So whatever you could do can actually, make the AI very comfortable usage in the camera app itself. Well, moving on to the other specification, if we tell you, the one which we talk about, the water specifications, that is IP69 water and dust resistant. We'll do that a little later, but before that, also to tell you that this one has a 6000 mAh of battery. जी हाँ, 6000 mAh की battery है with 45 watts of super walk charging that we had shown you earlier also. So yes, 6000 mAh of battery in such a sleek phone is actually very, very amazing thing to do. And keeping the phone light, that's another challenge, but yes, Realme's done that. So the one that you see, the color is jewel red, is we calling it, very beautiful color. It's golden glow color that you also have in it, and a crystal black. So it's launched in 3 colors. And talking about the storage, it's launched in 2 storage, 6GB 128 and 8GB 128. There are 2 of it, and you can also expand it with the dynamic RAM that it has to about 2 TB of storage, which is excellent. Talking about other specification, let's just go to the settings and we'll show you what else does it have. So we go here and you could see more of the settings. About device, and there you go. There is all specification that you can see here. The MediaTek Dimensity 63300, like we told you, that it has a 6000 mAh of battery, a whooping battery in such a lightweight smartphone, which is very interesting. The camera, as we told you, is the rear camera is 50 megapixel, the front 8 megapixel, and the Android version that it has is Android 14 for now that it has. And well, talking about the UI, it's Realme UI 5.0 that's based on Android 14 that you can see. And this one also comes with security updates of 2 generation and also the Android version updates. This is an amazing smartphone. Very impressed with the phone that, the way it looks like and the features that are packed in it. And one more thing that we're going to show you is we're going to test it inside the water. Put it in the water bag and see how does it fare. We'll try that, and before that, let's just show you some pictures that we've clicked from the phone and see how it fares, and then quickly do the water test and then give you the closing for this one. This is the first smartphone of the industry that has SonicWave water ejection. What does that mean? Well, it means that once we put this smartphone inside the water, with the frequency of vibration that it's going to generate, it's going to throw out all the water. And in case पानी में गिर जाता है, आपको सुखाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. बस म्यूजिक प्ले करें, स्पीकर की एक पर्टिकुलर फ्रीक्वेंसीज पे वाइब्रेशन होगा, that will throw all the water out. And yes, we're going to test it live out here. Let's do this. So that's the Realme 14X for you. Yes, the real phone that's launched in India today, and we showed you an exclusive first unboxing and first impression of the smartphone along with the special test. Did you like it?